Continue for your part 2. Previously, we done our part 1, dy dx. Now you want to find second derivative for parametric. Then you show this equation. So for second derivative in parametric, formula will be d dt for our dy dx times dx times dt dx. So look at your dy dx. This is our dy dx. We're going to differentiate this. We're going to differentiate negative cotangent 2t times dt dx, this one. Okay. So differentiate cotangent, 2 steps because it doesn't have power. Differentiate trigo, so 2 steps. Differentiate cotangent. What do we get when we differentiate cotangent? Go down, you get positive or negative? Negative. So negative, negative, positive. You get cosecant square 2t. Differentiate is angle 2. So time with this dt dx. And we can notice that it can be simplified. Simplify for the coefficient 2. Negatively. Alright, so we found this. Then we have to show this. So you have two methods. Either we modify or we use substitution method. So when we see our d2y dx square, seems like we don't have any related with previously, we can try using substitution method. How to use substitution method means we start from the left hand side. We substitute all this second derivative and first derivative, and we simplify all the operation inside here so that you can get until the answer of -1. So that is there also a way to show in substitution method instead of multiply. Alright, so we can take down from this left hand side what is the operation they want here. On the right hand side, the operation they want is sine 2t times with second derivative and then plus first derivative and square. So just simplify this part until you can manage to show the answer -1. Alright, so we substitute our second derivative. And first derivative is negative cotangent 2t squared. So start from this title and try to simplify until you get -1. So what can we see here? What can we simplify here? Sine 2t and sine 2t can be cancelled out. Remember your answer just -1. Means all the trigo here can be simplified, maybe using identity to get until -1. Alright, then what mean by negative cotangent square and negative cosecant square? It is equal to 1 over cosecant sine square 2t. Try to simplify. If this one, after we square it, -1 square, when you negative square, positive. When you cotangent square, you're having cotangent square, right? So can we still simplify in simplest form? Cotangent means cos, so cotangent square. So means cos square over sine square, then only we can get cotangent square. Then you can notice that both fractions having the same denominator, which is sine square. Alright, and then the numerator, negative 1 plus cos square 2t. So can we simplify negative 1 plus cos square 2t? From identity, as we know identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So when we having cos square theta minus 1, means it is equal to negative sine square theta. So by using identity formula, we can simplify this numerator. It will be negative sine square theta. Theta angle is 2t. And then what else we can analyze here? Sine square 2t over sine square 2t also can be simplified. Cancel out. Lastly, you just remain a negative 1. So we managed to show. It is getting negative 1. Show.